Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our nails together. These are the nails I currently have. As you can see, they're chipped and they gotta go. This is the brand Clutch. I typically don't go for this brand, but they were cute and they were claws. But as you could see, the claw part chipped, so I ended up cutting it into this shape, which is more square, but now this square part chipped, so yeah. Okay, so for today we're gonna go with Kiss, and this is usually the brand that I use. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna need a bowl of water and add some antibacterial soap, just to get rid of all the gunk on our nails. And this is after the removal. I already removed my nails, so if you have nails, just remove them before starting these steps. So yeah, just stick your hands in there and let your nails soak off for about 2 to 3 minutes. We need the cuticle area to soften so that we could go ahead and remove it, because you guys, this is a process. It's not a quick thing. This takes time. If you want it to look good, it's gonna take time. Alright, so I think my nails are about ready now, so let's go ahead and get the fun started. We're gonna open up our pack and get this out. It's just the nail file and the cuticle pusher. We're gonna need the cuticle pusher first, and yeah, just start pushing back all of your cuticles. And doing this is also gonna help your nails last longer. It's part of the process. Everything you do is part of the process, so just follow these steps. Alright, so once we're done pushing back the cuticles, we're going to go in with our cuticle remover and start removing the cuticles. This is the one that I use. I'm going to have everything linked down below, but I like this one because it just makes it super easy. I haven't tried other ones, but this one gets the cuticles right off, so yeah, just go ahead and do that for all of your nails. Once you're done with the cuticle removal part, we're gonna go ahead and get our little file from our pack and start filing down our nails. This step is really important because our nails naturally have oils, and those oils are gonna prevent the glue from sticking and prevent the nail from sticking well to your natural nails. So just go ahead and file down all your fingers. Go ahead and clip too if you need to. I felt too lazy to clip mine, so I'm just filing them down. Alright, so now we're down to our last finger, and go ahead and file it, file it, file it, and then we're gonna go in with alcohol. Luckily, I have this little alcohol bottle that I brought from my salon, but when I didn't have this, I was actually using Jack Daniels and a napkin because I did not have alcohol, and Jack Daniels is alcohol, so that's what I used, and it worked. So if you don't have alcohol like this, go ahead and use any other alcohol you have around. And this alcohol wiping step is super important because we want our nails to be dehydrated. Yeah, basically the key is to have your nails super dull and dry so that everything can stick well. And here I'm just going in and measuring my nails. I pretty much have an idea of what sizes go on which finger since I have been using press-ons for a while now. But yeah, just go ahead and get the glue that comes with the kit and apply it on the nail. I applied a little bit on the fake nail too, but as you'll see right now, that ended up being way too much glue. So yeah, don't apply too much glue because then it's gonna seep out and get stuck and stuff. But if it does seep out and get stuck, just get a wipe or just get a napkin really quick, the one that we used with alcohol. Just get that napkin really quick and wipe away the glue, the excess glue. Now we're working on my pinky, and when you apply the fake nail, just go ahead and press for a couple of seconds just to make sure it's nice and stuck. And go ahead and do the rest with the rest of your nails. Go ahead and find the sizes. That's what I'm doing here. Sometimes I do have issues with sizing those 3 fingers that you guys see there, because I feel like they're pretty close in size, so I'll just go around and see where it feels the most comfortable. You don't want it too big where it's poking you on the sides, but you also don't want it too small. So yeah, just find your sizes, put them where they feel most comfortable. If you have the glue seeping out through the sides, go ahead and wipe it off. You don't want this to look messy. Here I am working on this last finger. Just apply a little bit of glue, not a lot, and go ahead and put your nail on and press for a couple of seconds. And there you have it. Alright, so here we have our nails all on and looking glam, but we're not done. Go ahead and get your little file and file the tip of the nails because they do have a little tab thing. So just go ahead and file that down just so that it's not noticeable and it looks more real, like you just walked straight out of the nail salon. And for the final step, we're using Sally Hansen Cuticle Oil because once you do damage, you want to repair the damage. So just go ahead and apply this to all of your cuticles. And this cuticle oil has vitamin E as well. Like I said, I'm going to have everything linked down below, so make sure you check the description box. And here we are, guys. We are done. It took a while, but it was worth it. Our nails are nice and glam, and they're gonna last up to 2 weeks if you follow all these steps. Okay, guys, so I almost forgot to mention the final and probably most important step is to not wet your hands for a couple of hours, which is why I super recommend you to do your nails right before you go to bed because you're not gonna be washing your hands or anything. So I hope you guys liked this video, and subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!